Yeah, I'm recording the sewer line 8300 16th Avenue Northwest, Seattle, Washington. The date is April 9th, 2018. About 115 feet out from the clean out in the basement where I'm recording from, or in the laundry room. As far as my camera reel will go, and I'll pull back, kind of narrate as we go. We're out at 6-inch concrete right now. The water you're seeing flowing, water I ran from the utility sink down here in the laundry room. There's a turn there at about 85 feet, 6-inch turn. Another turn there at about 50 feet. Some minor root intrusion there. I believe we're back in 4-inch concrete now. Tough to tell if it's 4 or 6-inch, but it's in decent condition. A little bit aggregate at the bottom. Another turn there at about 10 feet. I think we're back inside cast iron. Yeah, we're back inside cast iron pipe there. There's the clean out down here in the basement. Technician is Casey. Signing off.